Hello students, today we're going to learn about term biotechnology. It is the first chapter of class 11th biotechnology book. First of all, the history part. Term biotechnology was coined by Kohl-Ehricke around 1919. According to him, biotechnology is a combination of two terms, bio plus technology, that is used to serve mankind. There are several definitions of biotechnology, but one of the approved definition of biotechnology by OECD, Organization for Economic Cooperation and Development by USA, application of scientific and engineering principles to process the material by using biological agents to provide goods and services. To understand the detail of biotechnology, we need to focus on each term of this definition. First two terms of these definitions are science and engineering. Science is a Latin term, scientia. The meaning is knowledge or to know. According to definition, systematically organized body of knowledge that is based on experimental observation and prediction about the universe. In science, everything based on experimental observation, like in physics, chemistry, biology, we perform several experiments in the laboratory by using a particular principle, and plus minus 2 we get same results. Science that repeat again and again. Second, the engineering. There is the application of scientific knowledge to design and create something new. Like computer engineer, they design a new hardware, software. Mechanical engineer, they design new machines. Civil engineers, they design new building structures, or what we design. Biotechnology engineers, they design new biological system, new molecules. Typical example of this category is dolly sheep, first cloned animal of this earth. Second example is BT cotton. BT cotton, the first transgenic crops that is approved for the commercial production in India. In this particular crop, we have inserted one of the gene BT-CRY1AC through agrobacterium mediated gene transfer method. The benefits of this genetically engineered crop is it basically provide resistance against insect attack. If insect eat this particular plant, they will die within few days. By this, we can able to control the insect population in the surrounding area of the crop field. Designing of new molecules, like we can increase the concentration of vitamin A in the golden rice. Vitamin A is very important for the eyes of children. If child is deficient in vitamin A content, initially the effect come on the eyes. Second, weakness. Later on, this will be leads to the death of child. That problem was recognized by UNICEF, and by the efforts of biotechnology scientists, we have inserted 3 genes into the rice genome, Oryza sativa, by which the particular pathway of beta carotene synthesis was enhanced and concentration of beta carotene or vitamin A increased into the rice. This rice variety is very important to increase the concentration of vitamin A content that leads to the change the coat color of rice from white to golden. That's why this Oryza sativa or rice variety termed as golden rice. Next part of this definition is process the material by using biological agents. Bioprocess industry basically working on the simple principle input in which we can collect the material. Second part, the processing. By using fermentation technology, we process the raw material and finally we will get the particular product. But how we can process? For that purpose, we need the biological agents. It's maybe bacterium in microbial technology. It's maybe animal cell in animal tissue culture. It's maybe plant cell in plant tissue culture, or we can use enzymes. Enzymes react on substrate, form enzyme substrate complex. Later on, the product will be released and enzyme again used in the particular reaction. Example of this category is the formation of milk to curd. Like in kitchen, we have to add teaspoon of curd into the milk. This sample consists microbes lactobacillus. Lactobacillus use the glucose content convert them initially into pyruvate by glycolysis. Later on, by anaerobic pathway, it will convert into lactic acid. Lactic acid released in surroundings of milk and precipitate the casein protein of milk. That will be the formation of curd. Same principle basically dairy industry use at large scale and convert milk to curd or maybe several other products like the taste of India, Amul. And in this slide you can able to observe the several fermented or other dairy products. By last, the major application of biotechnology into the various areas. Bioinformatics is also termed as computational biology, used for drug designing or maybe several other applications. Proteomics and genomics, basically used for genome sequencing and other research. Plant agriculture biotechnology, recombinant DNA technology or genetic engineering, horticulture or pharmaceutical production, medical diagnostics, fermentation technology, food technology, environment engineering and management, animal breeding and agriculture sector applications. Thank you very much.